Hey guys, how's it going, and welcome back. So today we went to Best Buy and picked up an Apple Pencil. I figured, well, I've got an iPad Pro and might as well have an Apple Pencil to go along with it because, yeah, I kind of like doodling and stuff when I'm bored. And well, you know, there's a lot of pens out there that could work, but nothing that works quite like an Apple Pencil. And these are $169 in Canada, so you can get a refurbished one, properly refurbished only, by the way, from Apple directly for $30 off. But I thought, nah, don't want to wait for shipping, and I want brand new either way. You'd still get a 1-year warranty though from Apple, which is not a biggie. And I'm not opposed to saving a few bucks, but this is definitely a lot more convenient. Having it right there on the spot kind of deal. So, I gotta figure out how to get into this. Oh, there we go. Pretty simple. Anyways, I did research a bunch of different pens before deciding on the Apple Pen, and looks like the Apple Pen is the winner no matter what, so we might as well do it. So, what do we get here? Oh, a bunch of little booklet thingies. Okay, Apple Pencil. Yeah. Okay, all right. Not a whole lot there for reading for me anyways. I think that's it. Wow, that's all they give you? No stickers. Man, Apple's got to start giving us stickers more. Anyhow. So, there's our Apple Pencil, and that's actually kind of neat. Now, you can get spare tips for these from Apple for about 25 bucks for 4. They used to supply you with an extra spare tip, but apparently they quit doing it, I guess because maybe people really didn't need it or whatever. I guess if you're a hardcore user of an Apple Pencil, the extra tips may come in handy. I don't think I'm hardcore in any means for this, but we'll see. Anyway, so we have the ESR case, and we're gonna see. Yep, that sticks on there all right. Ooh, now that's kind of neat. I'm gonna have to read this. I gotta flip it over my way. Welcome to the Apple Pencil. Continue. Try scribble. Try writing a few words here. Okay. Oh, it's supposed to be a V. Okay, A. Oh, so you don't even have to complete the A. You complete the A. Okay, there we go. Cool. And we want to go to delete. Switch out a word to delete it. Select. Select all. Cut. Okay, join. That's kind of neat. Explore double tap. Yeah, we'll figure that out later. Well, that was cool. Go to Bluetooth here. Apple Pencil automatically connected. Nothing to do. Sweet. Alright, so let's go on song. Oh, nice. I can move things along my list. Perfect. That's what I need. So you actually can't swipe back to home with the pencil. You got to do it manually. Alright. Well, that's kind of neato. All right, this is the program I'm kind of into that I've been playing with a little bit. Wow, that's kind of really cool. It's like airbrushing. That's kind of neat. Let's try the pen. Oh, it's like a fine erase. Oh, that's kind of interesting. It feels really super smooth on the, like I've got a glass protector on here. That's cool. It's pretty simple to use. Wow, that's really neat. Okay, well, that's awesome. See if we can erase all this. I wonder if we can do it faster. There we go. Do it a lot faster with the finger if you want to get rid of it all quick. Alright, wow, that's kind of nifty. This is all supposed to work in notes as well. So, oh, there's that hover thing. That's neat. Wow, that's pretty neat. Okay. That. And eraser. I still say it's faster with your finger to get rid of stuff. Alright, let's see what we can do here. Oh, neat. Switch between the eraser, double tap. Highlighter. That'd be great for highlighting text with. Alright, and we even have fine tip pens. Oh, hey, that's neat. Ah, there's an O. Big O turns into a smaller O. That's nifty. Get out of there. Alright, how do we get rid of all this now? Alright, play around with that some more later. That's kind of neat though. See if it does anything here for our internet. Yeah, perfect. Browse the internet with your pen. That's awesome. Oh, you just hover it. Just hovering it across. That's neat. Wow. Very responsive. That is pretty cool. All right. Now you're supposed to be able to check your charge state on this too through your widgets. Oh, it just came up 65%. Where's the charge? Where's my widget for charging? I guess I'll have to go do that in settings. Anyways, so I have an ESR case on here, and yeah, unless you're shaking it really hard, it's going to stay. That's pretty strong magnet. %. All right, we'll let that charge. Anyway, I like it. I think it's really cool. I like the fact that, you know, it doesn't interfere with my case. My case is fine. Have to get out of there. It sticks really well. Just got to get it in the right spot here. Oh, that's neat. It only goes to the flat spot. That's pretty good. Oh, and the cutout in my case is just for the size of the pen right there. So what happens if we... Anyway. Alright. I think it's worth $169 to be honest. I kind of got to the cash and I didn't even think about it. You know, I'm kind of like, usually something like this would like give me that hurt feeling inside going, man, $200 on this, like, what am I thinking? But I just kind of like, you know, I went up to the rack, I grabbed the thing, went to the cash and said, basically take my money and run. Nice box though. Gonna have to keep that around. So they did come with a 1-year warranty, which is fine. Like I said, extra tips are $25 for the real authentic Apple tips, which is what I would stick with actually, because I did look into the third-party ones, and there are some known problems with the third-party ones with the Apple Pencil 2. So I figured, you know what, I'll just stick with Apple stuff. If I need some tips, I can always order them from Apple. Not a big deal. Or I can just order them anyways and just put them away till I do need them. You know, better to have them because, you know, I mean, I'm sure we'll have Apple Generation 2 pencils around for a long time to come yet. They've been around for a long time already. But I might just order some extra tips down the road. We'll see how things go. I mean, if this thing survives a year with absolutely no issues, then I guess at that time I'll pick up some extra tips for it. But for now, I don't need to spend the money. But like I said, I like to doodle and stuff, and that's kind of fun. There's a lot of other programs out there that support the pencil that I'm going to be looking into downloading and working with. But I figured, you know what, if you own an M2 or even an M1 iPad Pro or any iPad Pro that supports these things, for what we pay for these tablets, it's like, what's $200 more for a pencil? And having a real Apple one is definitely the biggest bonus, you know, because you definitely have that quality there. And of course features as well. That's something, let me see if I can get into that area here. Should be here, Apple Pencil. Yes, we've got switch between current tool and eraser. And then you just tap it down below. Switch between current tool and last used is your other option. Show color palette if you're going to double tap. Show ink attributes for double tap, or leave the double tap off, period. Only draw with an Apple Pencil. That's currently turned off, and so this way you can do either way. I think I want that on, actually. Show effects when using pencil. Allow double tap only with hover. Scribble is there for English. I guess it says scribble. Try scribble. Left corner swipe screenshot. So you can do a screenshot. Left corner swipe. Right corner swipe quick note. But you can actually, for me, I think what I would do, quick note, screenshot. Yeah, I don't think I even need a screenshot feature turned on anyways. Right corner. Well, actually, hey, the right corner does give me the screenshot as well as an option. So, but I'm going to turn those off because I really don't need the interference happening. And that's all we get for features for that. But yeah, it's I like it. It's a really neat little device. So I don't overrate stuff. I'm very realistic about that sort of thing, in case you guys haven't figured that out by now. I would definitely give this a 4.5 out of 5. I think it really honestly deserves it. I like the idea of it charging from the tablet too, and it doesn't take much power from your tablet anyhow. I mean, it's just a small little battery that's in there, so it's not like it's going to suck your battery dry in your tablet, so you'll be fine there. Yeah, they tell you about, oh, they got, I guess it doesn't matter what orientation. I'm just checking this out for iPad, Apple Pencil. I need a flipping magnifying glass here. Something about the charging here. For iPad with Apple Pencil 2nd generation magnetic connector. Yeah, actually, I don't think it matters which direction it goes anyways, it's still charging. Yeah, that's the correct orientation, even for charging. Right side, yep. Tip down, yeah, that'd be the norm anyhow. Too bad they didn't do it for the left side for us lefty people, but hey, it doesn't really matter. I can easily just grab the thing, switch hands, and away I go kind of thing. And when I'm done, just pop it right back there, and it sticks really good, so that's alright. Well, let me know what you guys think. I'm sure some of you have used these Apple Pencils, even the 2nd gen, but especially in the 2nd gen. Let me know what you think in the comments below, how you like it, what you use it for. I like the fact you can surf with it, do your notes, do all kinds of drawing and stuff. You know, I like to doodle, like I said, sometimes, and it's like, hey, who needs to doodle on paper anymore? I can just do it on my iPad and use a pen and do whatever, right? Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video, and catch you on the next one. See ya.